Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I usually do for my first date makeup. I have a date tonight and I'm super excited about it. So I'm going to be showing you how I get ready for that. So the main focus for my first date tutorials is making sure my skin looks flawless. I do very simple eyes, usually a colorful lip, but I really want my skin to just look amazing on the first date. So I'm going to pin my hair back just so it's not in my way, and we're going to get started. First things first, I'm going to start off with primer, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I'm going to start off with probably 2 pumps of that today because I want my skin to be very, very smooth. Now that my primer is on, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to use the shade 35 Deep, and I'm going to set my primer in place. This just helps so that my oils and stuff don't seep through on the date. And then it also adds a little extra coverage. Now that my face is nice and set and I'm looking a little ashy, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. After my brows are filled in, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Hello there, how are you doing? Next, I'm just going to set my concealer with a little bit of my finishing powder. For my eyes, I'm going to keep it really simple and just do my 10-minute makeup routine. I'm going to do that on my lids. So if you don't know what that is, that just involves my Aina X Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to just go in and use the shades Ginger and Edges on my eyes. That's all I'm going to do. So I actually am going to do one extra step on my eyes. I'm going to be taking the Shimmer bronze powder from Makeup Essentials. I'm going to be putting that really lightly on the inside just to give my eyes a pop of color. So you see that added a little touch of shimmer to the eyes, but it's still very subtle, very pretty, very low-key. Next, I'm going to do the rest of my face, and to start off, we're going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I'm in the shade 410. And I'm going to be using what they call a flat top stippling brush to blend that all out. Also, if you're curious on why my foundation seems a little light, I match my foundation to my chest. I don't match it to my face because my face is darker than my chest, and I want this to all match each other. Now that my foundation is all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and contour and conceal. For contour today, I'm going to be using the Cream to Powder Foundation by Avon. And then for concealing under my eyes, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Fawn. This is in the shade Earth. Now that everything is in place and I look sufficiently crazy, I'm going to take a damp sponge and blend all that out. Once I have everything all blended out, I'm going to first set my contour in place, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 Mocha. I'm going to use that to set my contour. Now that I've set my contour, I'm going to go back in with the Maybelline Fit Me to set under my eyes. While I'm letting my powder bake for a little bit, I'm going to go in with my Colossal Big Shot Mascara for my lashes. I'm going to dust off my excess powder with the dense fluffy brush. Okay, now that the rest of the face is almost done, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay lipstick in the shade F-Bomb. It's a bright red. It's my favorite color in the world. I love wearing it on game day especially. It's just beautiful. Okay guys, so the last step, I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter. I'm going to go back in actually with the bronze shimmer powder that I used on my eyes, just because I want to keep the highlight nice and light and subtle. So taking my favorite angle brush, we're going to swipe a little bit of this on. Lastly, we're just going to set my face with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I'm so excited for this date tonight, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on the way out. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.